in this question, we need to figure out the total surface area and what is the efficiency of the solar system, and the light energy that is the solar panels are getting is 120 joules per meter square. All right, and they're converting the total of 720 joules of light energy to electrical energy with a ratio of 720 to 120 joules. Okay, so they're getting 720 joules. Okay, and the incident energy on the solar panel is 120 joules per meter square, and they're getting total of 720. So we got this, that we're getting 120 joules per meter square. So to get 720 in total, how many meter square do we need? So in order to calculate x will be equals to 720 divided by 120. That will be 6 meter square. Okay, so 6 meter square is the total surface area of the panels, right? Now there are two options for 6. It could be 70% efficiency, or it could be 6% efficiency. Now to calculate the efficiency, we know that the useful power output is, or the useful energy output is only 120 joules, and the total power or total energy input to the system is 720 joules. Okay, we know that solar panels are not 100% efficient. Okay, the amount of light energy that they receive is not 100% converted to electrical energy. So that's the ratio, 120 to 720. And if we convert that into a fraction and to a percentage, it will be 1/6 times 100, and 1/6 is 16.66%, and that would be around approximately to 17% efficient. Okay, so the solar panels are 17% efficient. Okay, so we can go with option A.